One of the most common questions in gardening is, how do I prune my hydrangeas? If you have a bigleaf hydrangea, Hydrangea macrophylla, it's all about the timing. First, hydrangeas don't need to be pruned to stay healthy. Because this type of hydrangea generally blooms on growth it made the previous year, wait to make any cuts until after the blooms are done. Then, you can cut back spent blooms to the next healthy node, which is the place where growth emerges from the stem. This is also the time to cut back any overgrown or wayward stems. Once again, simply cut back to a node or remove the stem at the base. Dead, damaged, or diseased branches can be removed at any time. By late summer, the window for pruning has passed. Leave your shrubs alone to set buds for next year. For more information about pruning, go to finegardening.com.